Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video. In this video we're going to be looking at the November 2017 past paper of the AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the third paper in the higher tier. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. And we pick it up in question 12, which reads, the distance by road from Newport to London is 140 miles. Tom travels by coach from Newport to London. The coach leaves Newport at 1:30 p.m. Part 12a says he assumes the coach will travel at an average speed of 50 miles per hour. Use his assumption to work out the arrival time in London. Okay, so he's travelling 140 miles. At 50 miles per hour. Let's just check our units to make sure we're correct to divide. So the miles will cancel out. And then we've got something over per hour, so that per hour is on the denominator. And 1 over x is just x. So that hour will become the actual units that we're working with. So we did the right thing by dividing. So 140 divided by 50, well, if we double the 50 to make 100 and then double the 140 to make 280, that's just 280 divided by 100, which is 2.8. And that saves time not having to use a calculator. So that's 2.8 hours. But what's 0.8 of an hour? There's 60 minutes in an hour, so 0.8 times 60 is equal to, well, that's the same as 0.8 times 10 times 6, and 0.8 times 10 is 8, so that's 8 times 6, which is 48. So the time is 2 hours and 48 minutes. And he leaves Newport at 1:30. So 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. plus 2 hours is 3:30 p.m. 3:30 p.m. plus 30 minutes is equal to 4 o'clock p.m. So we've added 2 hours and 30 minutes, and there's 2 hours and 48 minutes. So 30 from 48, that's just needs another 18 minutes. So 4 o'clock plus 18 minutes is equal to 4:18 p.m. So our answer is 18 minutes past 4. Okay, part B says, in fact, the coach has a lower average speed. How does this affect the arrival time? Well, that means the journey time will take longer, so the arrival time will be later. So I'm just put it will be later. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams. And I look forward to seeing you in another video.